the last of the batten trims on to hold the plastic. You want to take a look inside? We have an exercise room, a fishing location, a sun tanning booth, or a vitamin D consumption encounter space. Yeah. Well, there it is. You gotta get it tight. We gotta get these crazy tight because that's part of what's keeping this whole thing bound together. But it's looking pretty awesome. I think that is about all there is to making this creature. We're going to be putting this on the truck and taking it out. You have to check that out in the next video when we take it out and catch some fish. Alright, we just got the wheels installed on site, and now we're gonna see how she goes. Hopefully it goes. Let's see. Oh boy. Now this is a little bit more pitch than most lakes. But it's working.
And now for our first crappie fishing session with the new shantoon. Not yet up on pontoons. The auger. This will eventually be a shantoon, or we'll have pontoons around, so we have pre-drilled holes
In the right place?
pre-made hole caps. Just go straight down through the ice.
What do you guys think of the sky? There is a child over there exclaiming over the beauty of the stars, which I can't get in my video, but they're there. And they are beautiful. It is windless and it is very smoky in here.
Welcome to the shantoon. We are jigging crappies at night. Michael just picked up that beauty. We've filleted a few, and we're going to do some butter fried. All things are better in butter. Butter fried crappies with lemon pepper flavoring on top. I think that's just the McCormick lemon pepper. You can plug that right to it, and it really tastes yummy.
Yummy!
So we're gonna have a whole plate full of crappies. We've also got some Bavarian's venison sausage that we've heated up. We've got some dilly beans from the garden that Melanie made. We're gonna have us a feast. There you go. Big time. That's good. That's good.
I just gotta get on. Slow down.
We're gonna
Roger, I need your light.
Oh,
Roger,
this is your first fish.
your light. Okay.
First ice fishing fish. Oh yeah.
Yeah, you're doing it perfect.
What am
Just
I
keep
doing
reeling
wrong?
Slow. Take your
That's a
time.
big one.
Take your time. Take your time.
Take your
It's a
time.
big one.
It's hooked. There's no rush.
Lizzie's from Florida. This is her first ice fishing and her first crappie.
First
Oh, dear, that's a
fish.
big one.
Oh,
Keep
Lizzie.
reeling.
First fish
You're
ever
doing it
ice fishing.
perfect.
You're doing great.
You're doing it
Take your
perfect.
time. Take your time.
Take your time.
Just keep the tension on it. Oh.
Oh my gosh. I can't handle it.
So hold on, Roger will
Oh
grab
my gosh.
Now I have to unhook it?
Look at it.
You don't have to.
Yeah, I'll do it.
You
You
don't have
want
to.
to?
We got crappie frying and we got crappie dying. Been about 10 minutes and we came up one more crappie during that time. There's the lemon pepper butter crappie. What do you guys think? Do you want some?
I want some. Starving.
So it's probably like 6:30 at night. We are loving our new shanty, aren't we? And we're catching crappie, we're eating crappie, we're catching venison. Oh, it's probably pretty hot. And having a great
Can I
time.
have a little more?
Sure. Oh, that's right. You eat all the fish in the world, don't you? We got more coming fresh out of the hole anyways. Hey, thank you so much for watching. We're putting out one a week now. So check out on our channel. Please like and subscribe and see all the fun-tivities of this winter. Thanks again.